welcome back to SNS British Bird Diaries. Right, here's an update for you all and how I'm getting on with breeding British Mules and hybrids. I am riding that wave with the redpoles. It's been an absolute nightmare in cages this year. Just can't seem to get them to go down, but yeah, it is what it is. I can see a lot of people are having the same problems in the flights, a lot better. But here's just an update for you all. But before I kick this video off, I'd just like to say a big thank you for all the support and everyone that's subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate it. The channel is growing. It's unbelievable. I just really appreciate that you watch and enjoy it. And thank you for those that do give me feedback. I enjoy reading it. Right, let's get straight into it. AV1, the pie Greenfinch cock, running to a cinnamon hen, and she's got 3 youngsters. There's a pair of linnets in there. There's mum and dad. And there's a youngster down here. And as it is, she's back down, 2 eggs in there. Laid a second egg today. There's one of the youngsters down the middle, right, nice pied. Looks an agate, pied. There's a nice cinnamon pied down there. Coming across to IV2, we have a redpole down here. She's fully built, sorry, a Siskins, sorry, I do apologise, it's a Siskins hen. She's fully built. There's one Siskins youngster in there. There it is. It's a cinnamon, also there's a cinnamon redpole cock to an agate redpole hen. There's one of the youngsters. The Siskins cock's got to come out today. He's gone a bit buffy, yeah, so he's coming out and a new one's being put in. Right, coming across to AV3. It's a hybridizing pair. First round, one of the eggs did have a vein in it, but didn't develop, unfortunately. It's a British goldfinch to a British bullfinch hen, and she's got 1 egg to the right pan, so fingers crossed. The less interference, the better with them. Coming across to AV4. Pied redpoles. As you can see, there's 5 beautiful pieds in there. Like I say, redpoles in cages this year. I just don't want to seem to know. I've had no luck at all in cages, in flights. As you can see, mum's back down there. 4 eggs at the minute. Right, that's IV4, ladies and gentlemen. Coming across to some more redpoles. There's one white, beautiful young redpole chick on the back of the water feeder. There's mum and dad at the back. Been a great hen, this has, over the last 3 years. Those that have followed me will know she's produced some amazing youngsters. She's done really well for us. And she's back down on eggs. There's a look at one of the youngsters. There they are. One cobalt in there, 2 pieds. A nice white one. At the back there. Right, IV6, my next hybridizing pair, lesser redpole cock, second round, first round was clear, she's back down on 5 eggs, a British bully, so it's a lesser redpole cock to a British bullfinch hen, and she's tucked away there on 5 eggs, laid a 5th egg this morning. Same again, less interference the better. Right, IV7. These cockbird come from a man named Matt Eld. His YouTube channel goes by the Canary Room. Great lad. Put some great content out there, so feel free to pop over if you ain't already and check the Canary Room. Check him out. I had the cock off Matt Eld, and the hen's one of ours. She's on 5 eggs. They should all be hatching Saturday. Same with the other redpoles. They're coming across to the agates. He's in on 2nd round now. I will show the youngsters. I will add a video on the end of this video of all the youngsters in our other lot of cages. Right, same goes this agate anyhow. She was running with a topaz cock. The young one's got to 12 to 14 days old, and the old man ended up falling off the perch. So I thought chuck a Cobalt redpole in, and as it is, they get on great. Absolute brilliant, like so. Ayo, fingers crossed. First egg this morning. This man fills eggs, so fingers crossed, like I say. This pair is a Cobalt cock to an agate hen. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Just don't want to make a move. Just don't know what it is. Just been a nightmare in the cages the redpoles have this year. Same here, the cock's been took out of here there. Here's a Cobalt hen. Same, nothing. Here's a mule in pair. A pied redpole cock. The feeder hen. The pans will be put back in today. So been like a nice little mini redpole mule. Right, coming across to some more redpoles. Less cinnamon, lesser redpole cock. To an agate. Oh, she's just come off. There you can see 5 eggs. To an agate, there she is. Agate redpole. And not only that, you can see over the far back on the right, it'd be very hard to see. There's a cobalt sitting on 5 eggs. There you can see it just about. They're all hatching on Saturday. And they're full, like I say, redpoles, all the eggs are full. So, different matter in the flights of them. Just shows they need that room, I guess. I don't know, I can't say that. When the year before I had them going down in the cages left, right and centre. It's just one of those years. I wish you all you've had a brilliant breeding season. I hope you're all happy with what you've bred. Well, all you can do is give it your best shot. And keep listening and learning of other influencers. Like I say, there's a few good lads out there. There's the Bird Room, Matt Eld. You've got the Canary Room, which is Shane Evans. Breed British Fifes, very educational people. So pop over and check their channels out, guys, if you ain't already. Feel free to ask any questions. Drop your comments down below, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know how your season's getting on. And last but least, the Chaffies. As it is, my partner managed to get one youngster, and that's in the cages now. That'll be being put with a Greenfinch because it's an hen. So happy with that. That'll be it for the chaffinches now. There is fresh nest sites in there. I usually put one in the corner, but I call it a day with them, I think, now. If you like what you've seen, don't forget, smash that thumbs up. If you'd like to follow my journey of breeding British mules and hybrids, please smash that subscribe bell. Don't forget, like I say, you hit that thumbs up. I know you're enjoying it. A lot of people watch it and don't smash the thumbs up. It's all a click of a button. So, bullfinches, I will show you, ain't looking the best. She's on treatment. The cock looks beautiful. The pastel hen, she's on S76. Built. Didn't sit her, unfortunately, and had no intent to sit in them. We left them there, and I believe the cock's had them out. So it is what it is, you know. I probably won't be keeping them on next year. Same as this pair. I'll probably keep the cock and the pastel hen now. Next year I'll be changes. Be all British mules and hybrids. Like I say, I'm just basically working on getting me some Norwich to the sticks so I can up the ante a bit with the muling. As much as I love miniature mules, Goldfinch cock to a miniature feeder, or you know, I prefer doing goldfinch cock to a nice yellow Norwich, or you know, down them lines. So look, as it is this year, I have bred an handful of Norwich, which I'm buzzing about, absolutely buzzing. A video will continue on this video to show you the success of all the chicks and how we've got on. There's a fair few to look at for you all. Time to start colour feeding shortly. I'm just waiting for Carophil Red to be coming for the door, believe it or not. I thought I'd got a tub and I hadn't, it was empty, so that's coming for the door. They'll be slowly weaned on the Carophil. And like I say, season's gone pretty okay, but there's been plenty of downs, but them ups bring you back up. It's all about staying up. It happens to us all, you know, it does. But on that one, ladies and gentlemen, there's enough of me rambling on. I hope you've enjoyed watching the episode. If you have, don't forget, smash that thumbs up, ding that bell, drop me a comment on that one. Boom, Sammy Boy's out. Welcome back to SNS British Bird Diaries. I'll continue the video. I'm going to show you what I've bred the year 2024. Like I say, thank you for all the support. Let's get into it. Right, we'll start off with the agates. There's 4 agates in there. There's 3 agates in here, come from a topaz carrier cock and 1 mule. Guess what mule it is, ladies and gentlemen? Write it down below if you know. There it is at the back. Some more Norwich chicks. There's some mules. Lesser redpole cock. It's an agate canary and there's 1 linnet mule in there. As it was. There she is, going back to nest, the linnet 10. 12 days old. Stopped feeding the young. Had a look, they were stone cold. I managed to save the one. But as you can see, she's going back down for the last half. So great stuff. Here they are. Some Norwich feeding their own young here. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that thumbs up if you like what you're seeing and you want to follow my journey of breeding British mules and hybrids. It's much appreciated. So here's some feeds I've bred next year. Here's some Norwich chits, Norwich cock to one of my feeders ends, just to make my feeders a bit bigger. And there's 1 dimorphic here. Coming down to the Norwich I've bred this year, up to now. And in there's 2 Norwich Greenfinch mules. There's one of them. And the other one's got a black cap on his head, there he is. Norwich greenies, so I'm happy with them. I've had another one hatch this morning. I've had a cinnamon Greenfinch cock to a cinnamon Canary hatch this morning as well. There's 1 mule in pair, Norwich cock to a cinnamon Norwich cock to a cinnamon Greenfinch. And as it is, if you can see in there, ladies and gentlemen, There's 2 eggs. Coming up to the next muling pair. Oh, it's just coming off. There's 2 eggs. Redpoles. Well, this has just gone to nest from this morning. That's how long it's took them. It's been an handful. That's 1 pair. This pair here. Cinnamon cock to a pied hen. Sorry, a pied cock to a cinnamon hen. Nothing. This pair, unfortunately, she had 3 of her own. And I had 1 pied redpole hatch under another nest. So I put the redpole cock in with this pair. And I fed them for 2 days. Come out stone cold dead. Absolutely devastated. Hey, that's the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. Quick look at some mules I bred last year. 2 goldfinch mules, 1 goldfinch mule hen, and 1 pied greenie mule, which is there on the left. That pair's starting to build again now, the pair of normals. Here's 3 linnet mules, 1 cinnamon, as you can see there. So there's 3 linnet mules altogether. 4 including the one down below, but I'm not counting that until it's on the sticks. 3 beautiful linnet mules as well. I love the cinnamon. I like the 50-50 one. He's on the floor. And there's 2 normal greenies in there, as you can see. And 1 chaffinch hen off my partner bred. That will be put with a greenfinch cock, a chaffinch hen. Greenie or Goldie, one of them. This is a muling pair I'm giving a bash. I've seen him tread her 3 or 4 times. She's built a nest, she's due an egg tomorrow. She's on 5 of her own. Gotta be candled Tuesday. And like I say, ladies and gentlemen, season's going nice and steady my end. I hope you've all had a brilliant season. Well, you've tried your best, that's all that counts. Sometimes it'll work for us, sometimes it don't, but like the redpoles, just absolutely done nothing. I've given them everything I possibly can, and I can't still convince them to get a nest. There's still a little bit of time left, like I say. But on that one, ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate all the support, all the amazing feedback. I've met some really good guys through the birds, some top birdmen, and I've had some quality birds off you lads. You know who you are. Appreciate it. On that one, ladies and gentlemen, I'll put this all together now for you all to watch. I hope you enjoy. If you do, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to ding that bell, and feel free to drop a comment. I love reading your comments. If you like what I do, you like what you see, you don't like, you let me know. you know, we can improve on the bad points then on that one. Thanks for watching. Boom, Sammy Boys out.